Hi, my name is Adil, and welcome to my third demo video for Review Board. In this video, I'll be talking about the audio review UI that I've been working on. In the past, I've worked on review UIs for XML files and for Jupyter Notebooks files. But the audio review UI is very different from both of those because this one is not text-based. For text-based review UIs, users just need to be able to select specific lines in the file to be able to comment on them. But for the audio review UI, we wanted users to be able to select a specific position in the audio file and be able to leave a comment there. So in order to do this in an effective way, we rendered the waveform graph of the actual audio contents, and the user can interact with this waveform graph. You can click on anywhere in the graph and it'll set the current position of the player to that time step. And there's also standard audio controls that are available, like playback speed and volume. So pressing the play button will actually begin playing back the audio file, and changing controls like volume or playback speed will actually update the player immediately. So in order to actually leave a comment in the audio file, you can drag and select any region in the file. And this will let you create a comment using the standard interface found in other review UIs. Press save, and now your comment will appear on the waveform graph. And you can hover over it to see actual details about the comment, and you can also see the timestamp of the comment. So if you click on the comment now, you can edit it or delete it. And if you click it with the shift key pressed, then it'll play just the region that was commented on. There's also an option to see a spectrogram, but this is disabled by default. When you click this checkbox, a spectrogram of the audio file will be rendered underneath the waveform graph. And just to show you an example of how diffing works, in this example, there's two different revisions of an audio file. So the top player represents the older revision, and the bottom one represents the new revision. So there's two players, and you can interact with each one separately. So for this one, you can set the volume all the way down to almost 0, and it'll make very little noise when played. And you can set this one up, and you can hear it pretty well. You can also change the playback speed of one, but not the other one. And you can also leave comments on one, but not the other one. You can also view spectrograms for the diff by checking this checkbox, and this will let you compare the spectrograms for both of the revisions.